Convert the given polar coordinates to Cartesian coordinate system. So 150 degrees and then 3 units. So 150 degrees is this, but then the 3 is negative. So 150 was supposed to go here. You go the opposite direction. It's going to be this point P. So in order to solve for the rectangular coordinates, basically, it's x is equal to r cosine theta, y is equal to r sine of theta. So here, negative 3 cosine 150. Here it's negative 3 sine of 150. Here you'll get negative 3, and then cosine of 150 is negative square root of 3 over 2. So all in all, you'll get 3 square root of 3 over 2 for x. And then for y, negative 3, this is positive 1 half. So it's negative 3 over 2 y. And then you can actually confirm here that the x is positive 3 square root of 3 over 2. The y is negative 3 over 2 because of the fourth quadrant. X should be positive and y should be negative. So this is correct. Next, let's convert the Cartesian coordinates to polar coordinates. So it's the other way around. So what you're given is 4, 4. So let's just try here to draw rough point 4, 4. So here, if I were to draw, say, an angle here, a line, let's draw a triangle. Say this is theta. That's positive 4. This is 4. Let's just call that P 4, 4. Okay. Now, what you need here is r and theta. So whenever you need an r, take note, you have the Pythagorean relationship. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. And that tangent theta is y over x. So you have an x of 4. You have a y of 4. Here, you can see that r squared is 16 and 16. That's 32. R is 4 square root of 2. And then here, tangent theta is y over x. Both are 4. So tangent theta is equal to 1. I can see that arctangent of 1 is actually 45 degrees or pi over 4. So here I can say P is therefore 4 square root of 2 pi over 4. That is the equivalent of that point. Next, another one. Convert the Cartesian coordinate to polar coordinates with, okay, where r is greater than 0. So you're given a third quadrant point, negative 3, negative square root of 3. So square root of 4 is 2. So that means square root of 3 is greater than 1, but less than 2. So let's just call this point. Let's approximate that. If this is theta, that's negative square root of 3. This is negative 3. Let's call that point P. Again, x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So here, that's 9 plus 3 equals r squared. I removed the negative already because I squared them. R squared is 12. R is 2 square root of 3. And then tangent of theta is opposite over adjacent. Both are negative. So negative arctangent of negative, sorry, square root of 3 over 3. What's the arctangent of that? Is 30 degrees. But in quadrant number 3. So 30 degrees in quadrant number 3 is actually 210 degrees or 7 pi over 6. So that means the point is 2 square root of 3, 7 pi over 6. Okay? So I hope you understand this lesson.